Today I found an interesting issue with HTTP server. So as you can see, we have this simple HTTP server that just copy the request body to the response writer. And we got this simple HTTP request code to send a specified size of the request data to the server. And we use bytes repeat to repeat 1 byte to the size we wanted to send. So for now is 511, and let's run the code. It will work as expected, nothing wrong. But if we just increase 1 byte and run the code again, it will fail. It says invalid read on closed body. So why we got this error? The code is super simple and it looks weird that it doesn't work, right? But if we go to the documentation of this response writer and go to the write function, we will get this description section. And it says for HTTP version 1, so the handler should read any needed request body data before writing the response. Once the header has been flushed, the request body may be unavailable. So what does that mean? It means when we call the writer, it may close the body, the request body. So how it works is actually like this. So when the copy function want to copy the request body, it will just copy it to a buffer. The buffer size is 512. So then it tried to write the buffer with this write function, right? This write function, when we first call it, it will try to close the request body. So the first write will be successful, right? Because we can read the body to the buffer and then close the body. So the next time, because this copy function is a loop, right? The next time it try to copy the request body to the buffer, it will fail because the write function has already closed the request body. So that's why we see this error. This is very I don't know how to say that. It's not very intuitive experience. I think that's main because how HTTP 1 is designed. If we use HTTP 2, there will be no problem with this, as the description said, right? Uh, we can have multiplex for the data transfer. And when we send a request, we can get the response immediately. Not like HTTP 1. If we want to send the response to the client, we have to read all the request headers and request body, right? So I think that's one improvement of HTTP 2 over HTTP 1. But for most time, you don't have to worry about it.